Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we're doing something a little different. We're doing an unboxing of a special gift that I received from one of you guys. So this gift actually has a lot to do with the channel, and that's why I was, willing to do something like this. So, basically I'm doing a little bit of a mini product review, but at the same time it's something that I wanted to do and show you guys because I thought this was like the coolest thing. So let me give you a little background on this. So let me show you right now a quick little video while I'm talking as to what this is. So basically, when I first started the Facebook group, I got somebody that put a post in the Facebook group talking about this product as you're seeing on screen right now, which is basically a map of Mexico highlighting all the Pueblos Mágicos. And so when I saw that, I was like, wow, that is so cool. First of all, the person behind this was asking me permission and like if she could post this up. And I'm like, of course, this is perfect. This is I think a lot of people would love this and this would be great. So we, ended up talking a little bit, and I told her, look, if you send me one of these maps, which I would love, I think it's like the coolest thing ever. If you send me one of these things, then I will be for sure to make, an unboxing, and I'll show everybody how awesome this is. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. All right, so we got my trusty little, knife here. All right, I had to repackage it again because I opened it when I got this and I wasn't sure what it was, and then I opened it like, oh. So let's open it. It's like Christmas all over again. So when you order this, okay, by the way, so you're gonna order this on Amazon. I'm gonna put all the links down below, all in the description and stuff like that. But yeah, you're gonna get it in a box like this, okay? Remember, I'm in Mexico. This was sent to me from the US, and this is what you're gonna get. Look at that, pretty cool. I have not opened this yet, okay? And then that's it, just an empty box, a little paper that says thanks for purchase. And that's it, so this is the map, all right? So let's check this out. I can't wait to put it up on the wall. So, see? And by the way, so I received this a little while ago already. But since we had just gotten back from our Oaxaca trip and we were doing, I was putting up all the Oaxaca videos, I didn't, really have time to put this up. So this is probably the first video you're gonna see after all the Oaxaca stuff, which is perfect because now we're gonna be able to, highlight and keep track of all the places that we're going to be going with this. Look at that, awesome. Okay, so here's the map. There's something else in here. Okay, yeah, not sure what this is. Okay, but whatever, let's look at the map first. Look at that. Oh, nice, very nice material. I think I need Christian to help me out with this. Can you help me with this a little bit? Oh, never mind. Here it is. Here, we got it. We got Christian over there acting as camera woman. So this is it. Okay, so we gotta. Sorry about the noise outside. So this is the map. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna post this up. All right, I'm gonna put this on the wall, and then once we put it on the wall, I'll show you a little more. Plus, we got the dog out there being loud, so give us a second. Okay guys, so before we hang this up, let's see what else is in the bag real quick. So, see what we got here. Cool, oh, okay. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, so we got a guitar pick, which I'm guessing is to help scratch off, the locations on there. We got this thing here. We got some little flags. This is so cool. We got this, I guess to clean my glasses, I'm not quite sure. And this is like a little ruler with a magnifying glass. So cool. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this up on the wall, and we'll see we'll see how it looks on the wall. Looks, by the way, very nice material, very, very, very thick and cool. Very awesome. Okay, so let's get this up on the wall. All right, so as you guys can see, we got the map up. Found a good spot to put it in right here in my office. And as you guys can see, you see every little Pueblo Mágico. These are all the magic little villages throughout Mexico. So Mexico has literally a bunch of Pueblo Mágicos all throughout Mexico, as you guys can see. So, for example, in the Yucatan, where we are, we have two of them. You know, we got Valladolid, and we have, I forgot what the other one was called. I'll figure out in a second. But anyways, so we got those two, all right? And then we got a bunch of magic pueblos all over. As you guys can see, look at them, they're all numbered and then they're all over the place. So, just to give you a quick little brief on what a magic little village or magic pueblo is, well, a very, very long time ago, don't know the exact details here, but the country of Mexico started declaring a bunch of little villages that, you know, basically hold a lot of very tourist friendly, or a lot of amazing things about a region, and they started naming them magic pueblos and magic, you know, literally little magic villages. And so, as you guys can see, you know, there, you know, the whole map is littered with them. They're all over the place, and every few years there's more added to this, as far as I understand. But regardless, you know, there's a lot already. In fact, there's 121 on this map, and I personally have seen 0 of them. Even though I've been through a lot of these areas, you know, we have been through a lot of the Yucatan, been through a lot of Mexico, a little bit of Mexico City, I've been through Oaxaca, and so I even went to out this area, you know, Cancun area. I still haven't seen any Pueblo Mágico. Christian, on the other hand, she's been to a few, but what we're going to be doing is, in our adventures going forward, is that I'm going to be taking you to a lot of these Pueblo Mágicos. In fact, you know, that's one of the main awesome things about coming to Mexico. It's not about going to Mexico City or going to these, you know, amazing technologically advanced places. No, it's about going to a lot of these villages and a lot of these places where everything is still like it used to be, and then some. So I mean, as you guys already know, a lot of other YouTubers, you know, there's a few like the Kinetic Keenans, and I think Tangerine Travels, and a few others out there that literally go to these places all the time. So are we. You know, we're, you know, that's next on our list. Okay, so basically, I'm not quite sure where we're heading next, but I'm pretty sure we might be going to the Campeche area or Chiapas. Okay, maybe both, okay, but definitely we're going to be heading around this region, and as you guys can see, there's a few Pueblo Mágicos. So in the meantime as well, I'm going to start seeing if we can take some day trips to some of the Pueblo Mágicos that we have here in the Yucatan, and as we go through them, I'm going to start marking off places on this map. But as of now, I'm leaving the map as is, because in all honesty, I haven't visited any place yet to, you know, allow me to mark anything off. So I guess we're gonna go on this adventure together. So we have 121 places to visit, probably more by the time that we, you know, all this is said and done. And I plan on visiting as many as I can, maybe all of them with Christian. So yeah, you know what I mean? Stay tuned to check all this out, and then stay tuned to see how, you know, this map starts getting filled in and starts getting, you know, scratched off and stuff like that, because, you know, I got my trusty little tool here, you know, in order to start using it, and I got my little flags to start posting, you know, and I want to use these things. I want to use them. So in order for me to use them, I got to go visit these places, okay? And that's why I think this is a great gift for anyone out there that is planning on traveling through Mexico, has already traveled through Mexico, or anything in between, because this is a great, amazing gift. And I'm very, 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 very happy I got this, and I'm glad I'm able to make this video for you guys. So, all right, without further ado, I'm gonna end this video. It's a short video that I wanted to make for, you know, again, you know, just the receiving of this map. If there's anyone out there that has any kind of similar, you know, items that you guys would like me to make a video out of, please get in contact with me, and we'll, you know, we'll do it. All right. So I guess that's it. I'm sorry if this might have been like the best unboxing ever, but this is probably, I think, my first unboxing I've ever made. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely enjoying this map already, you know, making a nice little impact on my wall. As you guys can see, we're getting this office, you know, getting it together here. So, all right, guys, thanks again for watching this short little episode, this special little episode on the map, and I hope you enjoyed it. And that's it. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to, you know, get in contact with them. But like I said, I'm going to keep all the contact information down in the description of the video and in the comments. Okay, so you should be able to reach out to them directly. In fact, if you want to start reaching out to them right now, you can. This is where they are. This is who they are. So, with that being said, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to please like, please subscribe, please share, please hit that bell icon, but more importantly than anything else, please stay awesome and let the adventure begin. Bye, guys.